You gotta get inside. They're coming. They're coming.
Whoa, Grandpa Jenkins, what's wrong?
The mobs. They're coming for me again.
What are you talking about?
They're a-coming.
Ladies and gentlemen, we're back!
You guys forgot me last time, but you won't forget me now. You find me in the Ender, in a dark place underground, flying around, swooping down at any intruders in my house. You'll need a lot of luck to get here, but you'll need more getting out. I'm from the Nether, man. All I do is rave. This is why I'm hot, cause I love to blaze. Getting smoky, spitting flames. Take a blaze rod, bro, you'll be using it for days.
Slime and magma here.
Just a hoping if you can tell.
I'm gonna surprise you when you're mining.
And you'll find me down in hell.
Oh snap, if you attack,
We split in halves to no end.
Magma Cube.
What's up, slime?
Time to bounce, my friend. Gotta make a run. Gotta get away. Hide inside a cave and wait inside until it's day. Then I'll have my fun. When I know I'm safe. Survival's all I know. It's the Minecraft way. Grandpa always told me it was rough out there. Now I'm climbing and mining and hiding, and I can't get all these mobs out of my hair.
This is what you get for treating chickens like shit. I'll sneak into your house and overpopulate it with a bunch of baby chicks. When you come home from a long day of work, you're gonna pull out all your hair. I'm laying eggs like a boss, giving birth everywhere. You've heard from me before, but I've come back right on time. When I heard this funky beat, I knew I just had to drop a rhyme. As you'll recall, I'm quite a marksman with my arrows and my bows, so you'll want to have protection when you receive my many blows.
You'll hear me grunting, but I'm not taking a dump. Even though I smell like someone who just took a dump. I'm the undead douchebag slamming your door with my nuts. I'm here to eat your face, your legs, your arms, and even your butts.
Crawling and hitting, attacking you slowly, harass anything that happens to be living. My mission is simple, kill everything quickly, finishing you off after jumping and sprinting for miles. And now the mobs are winning and you can never stop them, cause nobody steps on us.
Make way for Iron Golem! Throw you in the air like a little tiny toy. Pick things up and throw them down. I am big and I destroy. If you mess with my village, you will certainly be screwed.
Can't do squat for myself, so thanks for the help, dude.
Gotta make a run, gotta get away. Hide inside a cave and wait inside until it's day. Then I'll have my fun when I know I'm safe. Survival's all I know, it's the Minecraft way. Grandpa always told me it was rough out there. Now I'm climbing and mining and hiding, and I can't get all these mobs out of my hair.
I just love swimming under the sea, and I never bother anybody.